Hello again and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our next 8-week bunch of English language courses delivered online. This week, in one of our Lexical Lab online classes, we were talking about cars and trains and planes. And one of my students was quite excited because she'd recently bought her first car. It wasn't new, it was second-hand, but when she went to look at it, she was pleasantly surprised to find it only had 10,000 miles on the clock. So it had only been driven for 10,000 miles. It only had 10,000 miles on the clock and it was in really good nick. If you say that something's in really good nick or in very good nick, you mean it's in very good condition. People might ask if they hear that you've bought a second-hand car, what kind of nick was it in when you bought it? And we also use it to talk about health, particularly of older people. So you might say, yeah, my dad's 84 now, but he's in pretty good nick considering his age. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And in the comment section below, we'd like to hear about things that you've bought that were in pretty good nick, or things you decided not to buy because they were in terrible nick, or maybe about people you know who are still in pretty good nick despite their age.